Hello everyone, I hope everyone is doing well. I'm Johnson. Today I will share how to grow lemon tree from cuttings using normal river sand in easy and simple way. So friends, let's begin now. So this is the branch of lemon tree I have here. So first we need to remove some extra leaves and extra branches and make a part like this. Use a sharp cutter to cut the cuttings of lemon tree. So just I'll clean all the extra branches and extra leaves from here. So friends, I have got new channel called Johnson England Vlog. That's a vlogging channel. So if you like watching vlogging, so do subscribe. I'll give you the link in the description box. So the cuttings of lemon tree is ready now. So next we need to make 45-degree angle cut using a sharp knife. So it will help to root faster. So both the cuttings I made in the same cuttings. So I'm going to use this pot. I made a drainage hole in the bottom. So next I'll use normal river sand for growing lemon tree cuttings. It grows very faster here. So now I'm going to plant it. So I'm not using any root hormone here because in normal river sand lemon tree can grow easily and faster way. So I'll place this in indirect sunlight in the bright light area. And next about watering, give 3 to 4 times a week of water. So it will take 20 to 25 days to establish the roots. So I'll check this after 25 days. Hello everyone. After day 25 of growing lemon tree cuttings, I'm going to check now. So the leaves has already started coming out, but I have not seen the roots. So friends, you can check the roots here. So it has got the healthy roots and lots of roots. It is only 25 days old. So I'll check the another cuttings here. So these two has got the roots, the healthy roots. So now we can transplant these to the different pot using soil mix and fertilizer, and both the cuttings are successfully grown. So if you want to grow lemon tree in your home from cuttings, you can use this process. So it is easy and simple way to grow lemon tree from cuttings. So friends, if you like this video, hit the like button and please don't forget to subscribe and press the notification bell for more gardening videos. Until then friends, thank you for watching. Take care. See you in the next video. Bye bye.